welcome back to my channel. I am doing a very highly requested video, finally. For those of you that saw my Steel Cut Overnight Oatmeal video that I filmed earlier this year, a lot of you guys asked to see the next day, like what does this look like? Especially with Steel Cut oats, because they're a tougher grain. How does that turn out? Is it, edible after soaking overnight? And should you eat it warm or can you eat it cold? So that is what I'm addressing in today's video and sharing with you all my more simple and updated recipe. So today is Saturday, and so I want to start off by just showing you the recipe and how I put everything into my mason jar. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator, and then tomorrow I'm going to come back and show you guys how I enjoy my Steel Cut overnight oats. So I'm so happy to be filming this for you guys finally today, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. So if you want to know my current Steel Cut overnight oatmeal recipe and how I enjoy it the next day, just keep on watching. All right, so first things first, we need a mason jar. So I got my mason jar here and the lid. Grab my oats. This is a third cup. I think maybe I do a third. I think I do a third cup as a serving. So just pour that in there like that. And grab your almond milk or whatever milk that you use. I'm non-dairy, so I start off by doing equal parts. Woo! Got by the sink. So I start off with equal parts oatmeal and milk. And then if I feel like once I add everything, if I need a little bit more, I'll do a little bit more. Okay. Then just grab my pure maple syrup and some cinnamon, and cannot forget peanut butter. I love peanut butter. If it's not your thing, you can just sweeten it with your cinnamon or your maple syrup or stevia, whatever you use. Looking for a spoon. So I'm going to put about a teaspoon of maple syrup. And all of these are raw natural ingredients, organic. Like my peanut butter, I buy the creamy peanut butter, just peanuts and salt, nothing else. So I'm getting all the full benefits of a protein and some healthy fat. Just rinse this off. And that's about like a really healthy tablespoon. I love peanut butter, guys. Okay. That's enough for that. And sprinkle in some cinnamon. Before I was doing like lemon juice and coconut. I was just doing the most. My recipe is so simple now. Just 1, 2, 3, like 4 ingredients: almond milk, peanut butter, maple syrup, and cinnamon. That's it. That's all I do to it now. And just give it a nice little stir. And that is it, guys. I'm going to put this in the fridge now. I think there's enough milk in there. So I did a third of Steel Cut oats and a third of almond milk. And yeah. Sorry, the sun. So popping this in the fridge, leaving it in overnight, and then I will see you guys tomorrow. But you are gonna see me like 2 seconds. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is the next day, and I am ready to have breakfast. So we are gonna grab the Steel Cut Overnight Oatmeal out of the fridge. So, it hasn't been a full 24 hours, but as long as you have it at least refrigerate for at least 8 hours, you're gonna be good to go. But as you can see, it's not as liquidy. I'm shaking it, and the oats have absorbed the almond milk that I've added to this. So I'm gonna go grab a bowl. Grab one out of the dishwasher. That's clean. You guys probably want to see what I'm doing here, so okay, so I got my bowl, and so there was still a little bit of almond milk, and then that's mainly all the peanut butter. If I were to just eat this right now, I'm going to tell you what the consistency is. It is soft. You can chew it. It's kind of like, it tastes like granola. And the consistency is like a softer granola. So not as mushy as just using like regular old-fashioned rolled oats, which I love. But I think of the reason why a lot of people want to see this recipe is because they say that health experts say that steel cut oatmeal is better for you, and it's a good complex carbohydrate, so it doesn't break down as quickly, and therefore it doesn't spike your blood sugar. So it's really good, and oatmeal is a great breakfast for if you have some extra belly fat that you want to lose. It's very heart healthy and all of that good stuff. So if you were to eat this cold right now, I personally enjoy it. Like I said, it tastes like granola, but it's also a very quick and easy way to make cooking time a lot faster, as far as if you want to enjoy this recipe warm. So you can pop this in the microwave. I might actually just add, when I bring these to work, these little mason jars to work, I have a bowl at work, and if I notice that I don't have enough liquid to heat it up, I'll just add a little splash of water in there or whatever. But since I'm home, I'm gonna add a little bit more almond milk and put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes, and you can enjoy it hot versus it taking 20 to 30 minutes on the stove. So let's warm this up. I'm gonna add a little bit more almond milk. That much, can you see? Put it in the microwave. Alright, 2 minutes, ladies and gentlemen, and we have hot steel cut overnight oats. I mean, let me straighten you guys out, sorry. I mean, nice and warm. My spoon. And depending on how you like your oatmeal, if you like it more soupy or thick and creamy, it's up to you. So good. So I added, you know, the cinnamon, the maple syrup, the peanut butter, so the flavor is amazing. So you can totally enjoy this just like this, because I added, you know, the maple syrup and the cinnamon and everything. Or you can enjoy it with some dark chocolate chips and a few slices of a banana, and it tastes just like chocolate chip pancakes. Trust me, it's so delicious. So I'm gonna do that now and eat. is it, guys. My overnight steel cut oats, either just the classic way, or if you want to make the banana chocolate chip pancake recipe, then try that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was much more, I hope I explained the recipe better and what I do, and also give you guys a chance to see what it looks like the next day. It's absolutely delicious, one of my favorite breakfasts, so quick and easy. So leave me a comment below if you are going to try this recipe, tag me on Instagram. But thank you guys so much for requesting this video, and any other video. If I missed something, you want to see me improve how the content was presented, I'd be happy to refilm whatever you guys need. Here for you guys to answer your questions and hopefully inspire and help you guys live healthy and more beautiful lives. Wow, that was pretty deep. I wasn't expecting to go there, but anywho, love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah.